It's still your girl Dima Art and Craft, and today I am at the rice mill in Idah. I was
Rice
told
Millers Association.
Rice Millers Association. Okay, I was told that the rice is very unique and that it's very nutritious, so I had to come to witness it myself. So, and I'm here with their chairman. So you introduce yourself to them. What's your name?
My name is Yakubu Sani, chairman of Idah Rice Millers Association. Here present now with Dima Arts and Crafts.
Yes, sir.
So now I'm here to give a story of this place and to assure you how we are using to mill rice, as from parboiling down to the milling of the rice and the stoner for the last point. So now we are here. We can having almost about 10 tons per a day, and we can get almost about 2-3 hours per a day.
Wow.
I hereby assure the whole Nigeria that Idah Rice Millers Association is where you can get a fine rice that is very fine than the one that is from outside.
Finer than the foreign rice?
Fine than the foreign rice in this place. Here is Ede Alaba in Idah, Kogi State. And the name of this place is Ega. And it's where that we are milling rice in this place. Here is a community within the rice millers. We are having engine almost about 160.
Almost
160 engine in this place. Wow. And of which we can having almost about 10 tons per day. The 2 trailers can load from here. If there is anybody who is in need of rice in Nigeria, we can produce it in this place.
Alright, you can take me around so that I will see the places and how you produce your rice.
I will take you around.
And makes it unique, different from other rice.
Yeah, yes, I can take you around.
Alright, thank you very much. Let's go around so that you show me the places. Alright, this is where they boil the rice.
Yeah, this is where they are boiling the rice.
Okay, before they will take it to the
rice milling.
Okay, let's go so that we'll show them how to boil the rice. Okay. Oh. Alright. Okay.
I see. Yeah.
So this is after boiling it?
After boiling it, they'll put it for sun.
To dry?
To dry.
It's still very strong?
Yeah, it still remains.
Okay.
It still remains. But it will dry here very well before they can take it to the engine. And this is the drum we are using, and this pot to parboiling it.
Like how many days do you dry the rice?
It will dry if the sun is very shining, and it's a question of 3, 4, 5 hours. It will dry. It will dry.
If there is no sun, you leave it.
If there is no sun, the sun is not shining well. It will take a day. If it's not even feeding fine, drying well, then the second day they'll still repeat in putting inside the sun again.
Yeah, for it to dry very well.
Yes, for the rice to dry very well before carrying to the engine for the milling.
This is where they boil the rice and dry it for complete one day. If there's sun, then they will take it to where they mill the rice for proper preparation. This is a very big company. Do you know that?
Yes.
Oh, people are blessed. So how do you produce this rice that I can't find any stone and it's very neat this way?
We have 2 machines, 3 machines in this place. We use one to break it. It will remove the whole. It will remove the seed inside to the bucket. Then after from this place, we are going to here. Here is the polisher. After from this place, we come here to polish it. After we polish it from here, we now take the same that rice from here to the destoner. See, here is the destoner. You can see this is the destoner here. We bring it here for destoning.
How many bags of the rice that the trailer contains?
The trailer can carry not less than 250 bags.
250 bags.
250 bags. And the bags is 100 kg, and it will contain a bucket of rice, 6 inside.
The bag contains 6 buckets of rice.
Only one bag. That 100 kg, it contains 6 buckets.
Okay, 6 buckets.
Yes.
Okay.
And we can, if we even see more, we can produce more than 1 trailer.
In a day?
In a day.
Wow, that's good. Like, is it the bag they're talking about?
Yes.
Let's see the bag. Let's see the 100 kg. Okay, this is the 100 kg.
This is the 100 kg we are talking about.
This is the biggest size.
This is the biggest
50
size.
50 kg, they may have bring on.
Let me see the 50 kg. And you say how many of...
the bucket here is 6 buckets.
6 buckets.
We are not using mudu here. We are using a bucket.
And this is the bag that I said that can carry 200.
Yes. This is the bag that you can carry. The trailer can carry 250.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. And what's the cost of this bag? Now, how much per one bag? And that one will have stone. So it depends on the quality. Depends on the quality. Okay. So the price is based on the quality of the rice.
The price is based on the quality of the rice.
Yes. Okay. You said that one is 50 kg.
Yeah, this one is 50 kg. Now 3 buckets.
Okay, that's half of this
half
one.
of this one.
Okay.
This one contains 3 buckets.
You're the one in charge here.
Yes.
This one is your own.
Let me get all
of this one.
Yes. Now my shop.
How many mudus make this full of this?
18 mudu.
18. This
18.
mudu.
Maybe this one.
Okay, not this one. Okay, this one, what is it called? This one, what is this one called?
This one not be mudu. This one na mudu.
Okay,
for our
this
own
one
place
is
here.
Full of this one is how much?
Full of this one is 180.
180 naira.
1,800.
Okay, 1,800. Full of this.
Yes. This big one, this small one.
Okay, this one is big, this one is small. How many of this in full, this one?
7.
This one 7.
Day for this one. 6 day for this one.
How is it possible? 7 of this one, full this one. 6 of this one, there inside this one. You don't have anyone that you want to meet now?
No.
Okay, you don't have anyone?
There's no customer that want to buy it.
Okay, no customer that want to buy it now. So you have to wait till when customer comes to buy it, then you now meet it here.
Yes.
Okay. But what's the color of this one is different from the other one?
Yeah, it's because of flood where.
Okay, because of flood.
Yes.
What is she doing like this?
She's blowing it.
She's blowing the rice?
Yes, inside it there is small rice where this fowl and others go eat.
Okay, they use those things she's blowing out to
feed fowl.
Fowl?
Yeah.
Only fowl?
Not only for feeding. There is a seed inside that a fowl will use it in feeding. And they can even give any animal that using 2 legs with feeding. Not only the fowl.
Okay, not only the fowl?
Yes.
And you said that they use it in sealing?
They will use it in giving fish, pond.
Okay, fish pond.
Fish pond. They will put it inside the fish pond, and the fish will eat it. And to let them having a big body.
Okay, the fish also feed on it as well.
Yes.
But you made mention of sealing in that the company comes to...
After remove the seed inside, the dust is how there is a company that are coming here for the request of the sealing. They will use it in doing sealing board. Yes.
Sealing board that they use at home.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So that means it's not even a waste.
It's not a waste. It's not a waste.
Very much.
And they will use it to make cook food. It's for fire again.
Okay, for making fire.
Yeah, just like cold. Okay. Yes. And they can even carry this dust to a bush. Anywhere there is no manure. If you put it there, you put fire. It will bring manure to the land again.
Wow, wow, wow. This is really a blessing to your community. Good afternoon, ma'am.
How are you?
Where are you from?
I'm from Soka.
From Soka. Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Wow, you came to buy rice here.
I come buy rice for Christmas.
Wow. What about you? Are you the one selling? Okay. So you can come all the way from Soka to buy rice here. That's nice. How long have you been doing it? How long have you been doing it? Since when?
Now today I come.
Like you don't tell where they do the business.
Now young business I dey do. I just come buy rice today.
You carry travel. Mama. Hello. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You come buy rice too?
Yes, so.
Is it the business you do?
No. I am business I dey do. But I come buy this one. Make I dey sell am for my place.
Okay, you come buy to go sell.
For Soka.
Okay, so if person want buy now, call you, you go sell give the person.
24 hours. Sell am for village people. All the Igboeze, Ekenugwezke, Ogbedakun, and that place.
Those places.
Yes.
Well done. Mama, good afternoon. You come buy rice too?
Yes.
You dey sell too? You dey sell too?
Yes.
Now this bag you take buy. Now you dey take buy.